Okay, guys, when we're trying to decide if a variable is categorical, we also call it qualitative or numerical or quantitative. I want you to think about this. Is it possible to add or subtract or multiply or average values of this variable? If those values make sense, then that means that the variable is quantitative. But if it doesn't, then it's qualitative. Usually stuff that has words in them, like variables where you collect in words, like for example, what's your name? What brand of sneakers do you prefer? All of that stuff, that's words, not numbers. So that would be categories, right? But numbers is something that usually has either measurement units or we're counting. That's all quantitative. So for example, here we have days to germination for a plant. Well, here we are counting, right? And so that's a number. It makes sense, for example, to say average day to germination, right? So that means it's going to be a quantitative variable. All right, number of flowers in a bouquet. Well, put the word average. Would it make sense to say average number of flowers? Well, sure. You can average them, you can add, subtract, you can say this bouquet has more flowers than this one. So that means math operations make sense. And so that's a quantitative variable. Also, anything that says number immediately means quantitative because it's numerical. All right, the next one is plant species. Now, these are words, rose, fern, this is word. You cannot add them, you cannot average plant species, so this is categorical. Flower color, can you average color? No, you cannot. So that's also categorical. Now, height in inches. Notice how here we have measurement units. Anything that has measurement units always will be numerical or quantitative. So height, can you say average height? Sure. So that's going to be quantitative. Soil type. Okay, so sandy, clay, so on. Well, can you say average soil type? No, you cannot. So that would be categorical. Well, I hope that was helpful.